How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Tap on your Instagram app on your device. Then it comes out like this. Then go ahead and tap on the profile icon here. Then at the base of the screen, then tap on edit profile. Once tap on edit profile, it comes out like this. Then scroll up a bit, you see switch to professional account. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it brings you this information. Get more tools and switch for free, so you can access the insights of your content. Then you can run ad, you can get paid. So tap on next button. Now once tap on next button, it brings to this interface. What best describe you? So what do you do? So let me see. Perfect describe you. Then tap on switch to professional. Just wait for a few seconds. Now that I've done that, you have two options here. You have creator, you have business. So I'm a creator, so tap on next button. Now that I've tapped on next button, then when you switch to creator account, we turn on additional settings to help keep you and community safe. You can always make change using blah blah blah. So tap on OK button. Simplify how you access your accounts by adding Instagram and others. So tap on continue. So once you've completed all these processes, then you have your professional page. Looks like this. You can see that professional dashboard. That's all, guys, on how to switch your Instagram account to professional. If you enjoyed this tip and friends subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.